Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sauce toppings for spaghetti. First, let's start with the base, called a roux. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir this mixture constantly for about 1 minute until it forms a smooth, lightly golden paste. This creates the essential thickening agent for your sauce. Now it's time to add the liquid. Gradually pour in 2 cups of cold milk, a little at a time, while continuously whisking. This slow addition and constant stirring are crucial to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking until all the milk is incorporated and the sauce starts to become smooth. Patience here ensures a creamy, lump-free result. With the sauce thickening, it's time to add some flavor. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For a classic touch, add a small pinch of nutmeg. It really enhances the richness. Remember to taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings to your liking. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. Finally, bring your white sauce to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it reaches your preferred thickness. It should be smooth and coat the back of a spoon nicely. Once ready, generously pour this warm, creamy white sauce over your freshly cooked spaghetti and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.